Okay, so the next very important modification what we've done on this vehicle, the add-on what we have done on this Rubicon is Terraflex tire carrier. You can see this. This is a very heavy tire carrier. ये आपके डोर पे ऐड हो जाएगा and it can take the load of the bigger tire and a bigger wheels. So ये जो problem है जो पीछे से tailgate आवाज करता है बड़े टायर डालने से, this problem is completely solved. I want to share another very important modification with you guys जो हमने इस Rubicon पे किया है जो बहुत important है. It is in the first stage again I'm telling you. हमारे थोड़े से और पार्ट्स आना बाकी है जैसे टायर व्हील्स और ये सारी चीजें. Is Terraflex suspension system with Falcon shocks. So this suspension system it is a complete suspension system. It will give the lift of 4.5 inches to the vehicle. आप देख सकते हैं इसमें हमने लिफ्ट किया है. This is about 4.5 inches. इसमें बड़े टायर और बड़े व्हील ऐड होंगे. The height will increase a lot. ये हम सेकंड स्टेज में करेंगे जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था. So the system comes with shocks, spring, stabilizer, lower arm, upper arm and the buffers. So this is the complete kit. मैं इसका वीडियो पूरे पार्ट्स का वीडियो आपके साथ शेयर कर दूंगा ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल. सो गाइस दिस वाज रूबिकॉन फॉर यू एंड ये स्टेज 1 का मॉडिफिकेशन है जैसे हमने हमारी पहले वाले रूबिकॉन में भी बताया था. उसके और इसके दोनों के पार्ट्स अभी इंपोर्ट होना बाकी है. इट इज इन द प्रोसेस. ओके, सो अगेन बम्पर, लैंप्स, स्टेप्स, lift kit and the rear tire carrier. And one very important thing, I want you guys to meet the proud owner of this vehicle. Asa is my very good friend, so he'll let you know about कि हम इसमें next क्या करने वाले हैं. Asa, what we are going to do next on this vehicle?
Now there are still more work needs to be done.
Yeah.
Inner fender flare,
Wow.
high-rise fender,
Okay.
and
How about the tires and the wheels?
oh yeah, that will be.
What size you putting?
We are putting tire 40, 15.5, 24,
Wow.
and two conversion 4x14J.
Wow. Okay.
So let's see.
So you think it will look monster?
Yes,
It will definitely. It will
This
definitely.
will be first time in India.
Yeah. Thank you so much for giving us an opportunity to work on this vehicle. For the next video of the stage 2 of this vehicle, and जिसमें हम दिखाएंगे how we have done the tires, how we have done the wheels, how we have taken advantage of 4.5 inches of lift kit. Thank you so much. ऐसे ही like करते रहिए, ऐसे ही हमें motivate करते रहिए so that we can show more and more our hard work to you. And thank you very much.